It's not the end, but just the beginning of learning Latvian letters part 3. If you haven't seen part 1 and part 2, I will leave the link below. So today we're gonna learn another last 11 letters in Latvian alphabet and 22 new words. Amazing! So let's begin. The 23rd letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter O. So the pronunciation is O or O, depending on the word, but the letter name, it is O, as in the word oyster. And the big letter O you would write like this, or the capital letter, just as a round, and the small one you would write like this. And you will learn 2 words for today, beginning with letter O, which are ola, which means an egg, and otrais, which means second. And if you would be going to a restaurant and the waiter forgot to bring you the second egg, you would ask the waiter, "Where is my second egg? Kur ir mana otrā ola?" The 24th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is P. The pronunciation, it is P, but the letter name, it is P. As in the word price, past or part. The big letter P you would write like this, or the capital letter, and the small one you would write just like this. And you will learn 2 words starting with letter P, which are first word puse or half, and pieci, which means 5. And if you want to say about the time, what time is it? Puspieci, half 5. The 25th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is R. The sound what it makes, it's only R, but the letter name, it is R, as in the word rooster. The letter R is written like this, so the capital one is written like this, and the little or small letter R is written like this. And you will learn 2 words beginning with letter R, which is Riga, which is capital of Latvia, and rīts, which means morning. And if you put those words together, you would have a little sentence. Rīts Riga, or the morning in Riga, which you can see just there. The 26th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter S. The pronunciation, it is S, but the name of the letter, it is S, as in the word soon. Capital letter or big letter S you would write like this, and the small one you will simply write like this. And you will learn 2 words for today, beginning with letter S. Sava or savs, which means my own, and soma, which means bag. And once you put those words together, you would create a little sentence. My own bag, sava soma. 27th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is sh. The sound, it is sh. And the name of the letter, it is ash, as in word she, sugar, or shower. The capital letter sh you would write like this, exactly as a small s, just with a little bird on the top. And the small letter sh you would write like this. And you will learn 2 words beginning with letter sh, which are she, which means this, and šale, which means scarf, the ones you tie up in the very, very cold winter night. And once you put those words together, you create a little sentence which will direct you to certain scarf. This scarf, she šale. The 28th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is T. The sound is T, and the name of the letter, it is T, as in the word tunnel. The capital letter T you would write like this, and the small letter T you would write like this. And you will learn 2 words beginning with letter T. First letter, it is tuvu, which means near, and tev, you. And if you put those words together, you will say tuvu tev, which means near you. The 29th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter U. The name of the letter is U, and the pronunciation, it is U. As in word push, when you want to push someone from the mountain, but you can't. And the capital letter U, you would write like this, and the small one exactly as a large one, just like this. And you will learn today 2 words beginning with letter U, which is us, which means a word of direction, to or towards, and upe, which means river. And if you wanna call your friend in the hot summer day to the river, you say, let's go to the river, ejam uz upi. The 30th letter in Latvian alphabet, it is U, which is garais U or long U. It is similar to U, just prolongs the sound twice or 3 times. As in word moon, you don't say moon. You can say, but it doesn't sound correct. It is moon. Letter U is written exactly as the large letter U, just with this little line on the top, and the little U is written exactly the same, just in a small version. And you will learn 2 words for today, which is ūdens, which we all drink, maybe not enough, it means water, and ūsas. Some guys like to have this big long mustache. That's what it means, mustache, ūsas. And if you put those words together, you would have water mustache. You can use your imagination and think how the mustache could be created from water. Ūdens, ūsas. 31st letter in Latvian alphabet, it is V. So the sound of the letter, it is V, as in word veins, but the name of the letter, it is V. Capital letter V is written like this, and the small one, it is written like this. And you will learn 2 words beginning with letter V, which is one, it means viena, and vieta, which means seat or a space. And if you come to bus and you see there is only 1 space left, viena vieta. The 32nd letter in Latvian alphabet, it is Z. Z, 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 Z. You don't say like this, right? The letter Z makes sound Z, and the name, it is Z. Big letter Z is written like this, and the small one is written exactly the same, just smaller version. As in word zoo or zoologist. You will learn 2 words for today, beginning with letter Z, which are boots, and it means zābaki, and ziema, which means winter. And once you put those words together, it will create a sentence, ziemas zābaki, winter boots, which we for sure need to buy 1 pair for the winter. And the last 33rd letter in Latvian alphabet, it is letter Ž. The name of the letter, it is Ž, but the sound what it makes, it is Ž, as in word giraffe. And the capital letter Ž is written exactly as in the letter Z, just with a little bird on the top, and the little one is written exactly the same with a little bird on the top. And you will learn 2 words for today, starting with letter Ž, žurka, which means red, and žigla, which means jiggle or agile. And once you put those words together, you will say agile red or žigla žurka. Hopefully you don't have any at home, right? Wow, awesome. Please applaud to yourself. Now you know all 33 letters of Latvian alphabet. You can read, write, and pronounce all the letters. Fantastic, amazing, well done. 66 new words. You are already like a beginner in Latvian language. Is it not amazing? Just to memorize those all letters better, let's repeat everything that we have learned today. Let's begin. O, P, R, S, Š, T, U, V, Z, and Ž. Fantastic! If you want to repeat all alphabet from complete beginning to the end fast in 2 minutes, I will leave the link below the video in description. I hope you have enjoyed learning Latvian alphabet with me. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and see you in the next lessons.